Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lemon sorbet. To begin your culinary adventure, you will need just 2 key ingredients. First, gather 1 bright yellow lemon, which is the star of this refreshing treat. Second, you will need 1 portion of slush ice, a crucial component for any sorbet. With these 2 items, you are well on your way to a sweet creation. Finding your ingredients is part of the fun. Lemons are readily available. You can harvest them from trees in the Forest of Valor or the Glade of Trust, where each tree yields 3 lemons. Alternatively, Goofy's stall in the Glade of Trust sometimes sells them for 67 star coins. For the slush ice, you must first complete Remai's Level 10 Friendship Quest, the unknown flavor, after which it becomes available for 150 star coins at his pantry. Once you have both your lemon and slush ice, head to any cooking station in the valley. Interact with the stove and place your single lemon and 1 portion of slush ice into the cooking pot. To ignite the magic, you will need 1 piece of coal ore. With these simple steps, your 2-star lemon sorbet will be ready in moments, adding a delightful dessert to your collection. Now that your lemon sorbet is complete, it's time to enjoy its benefits. This refreshing dessert is a fantastic way to replenish your energy, restoring an impressive 1,112 points. If you prefer, you can sell it at Goofy's stall for 237 star coins. It also makes a wonderful gift for your favorite villagers, helping you strengthen your friendships across the valley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.